In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or you've been using it for a while but haven't yet tackled purchase orders, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process with ease. Let's start by heading over to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're there, you'll notice a New button located prominently at the top left of your screen. Clicking this is your first step. This button is your gateway to a multitude of options, allowing you to input various types of transactions and information into your QuickBooks account. After clicking the New button, you will be presented with a list of transaction types. From this list, you need to select Purchase Order. This option is designed specifically for creating purchase orders, which are documents you send to your vendors to request items or services from them. Purchase orders help you keep track of your orders and ensure that you receive exactly what you need. Once you've selected Purchase Order, a new screen will appear. The first thing you want to do on this screen is add the vendor you are purchasing from. QuickBooks Online allows you to either select a vendor from a pre-existing list, or if it's a new vendor, you can quickly add them right there. Getting the vendor information correct is crucial, as this is who you are officially documenting the purchase with. Then, it's time to add the category details and the item details for the purchase order. This section is all about what you're actually ordering. You'll need to specify what's being purchased, how many units, and any other relevant specifications. Be sure to enter this information accurately, as it's what your vendor will rely on to supply you with the necessary items or services. If you've previously set up categories and items in your QuickBooks, entering this information should be straightforward. If not, you might spend a little extra time here setting everything up, but it will make future purchase orders even easier to create. After inputting your vendor and item details, you should now look over the purchase order and fill in any additional fields that might be relevant for your situation. This could include things like delivery dates, payment terms, or rates. Filling out these details not only helps clarify your order for the vendor, but also assists you in keeping a complete record for your business. Finally, it's time to save your work. Review everything to ensure it's all correct, then hit Save. With that last action, you've successfully created a purchase order in QuickBooks Online. Remember, this saved document will now be part of your financial records, helping you track orders and manage spending within your business. Keep practicing, and soon, creating a purchase order will become a quick and easy part of your workflow. Thanks for joining me today, and happy order managing.